Good morning, students. Today we were dealing with unit number 1, that is crystal structure and its deformation. Now, what is crystal? Crystal is nothing but the combination of lattice and mative. Means lattice is nothing but where to repeat, and mative means what to repeat. Means a structure is repeated in a specific manner and in a specific location is called as a crystal. So this is as shown in the figure, unit cell of the BCC lattice, that means body centered cubic centered. Here a cube is having atoms at each corner of the cube, that is 4 plus 4 8, and 1 is at the center of that body. So it is called as the BCC structure. So this crystal is also known as space group, means how to repeat, and asymmetric unit means mative, what to repeat. Now progressive now the progressive lowering of the symmetric amongst the 7 system are present for the crystal structure. First one is a crystal cubic structure, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, then trigonal and hexagonal. Now cubic crystal is in this cubic structure, there are the three parameters of the cube, A, B and C. 3 means length, height and width. Here A is equal to B, B is equal to C. And the lattice angle means angle between A and B, B and C, and A and C are alpha, beta and gamma respectively. Those are 90 degree always. So it is called as a cubic structure. Now simple cubic, it has a three type basically: simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. Simple cubic means SC, body centered cubic means BCC, and face centered cubic means FCC. It is the short form. These are some structures. Now, crystals and its properties. The symmetry of any physical property of a crystal has at least the symmetry of a crystal. Crystals are anisotropic with respect to the most properties. The growth shape of a well-grown crystal has internal symmetry of the crystal. Polycrystalline material or aggregate of the crystal may have isotropic properties due to averaging of may randomly oriented grains. The properties of the crystal can be drastically altered in the presence of a defect, starting with the crystal defect. Now, there are so many defects present in the crystal. One is zero or point defect. Second is a line defect or 1D defect. Third is a 2D defect or surface or interface defect. And volume defect. That means in all three directions or all three dimensions there were defect in the crystal. First, we will deal with the point defect. Point defect means at the single point there is a defect in the crystal. First is a vacancy. Second is impurity, Frankel defect and Scotty defect. In the 1D defect, dislocation, dislination and dispiration. These three defects are in line defect. Now 2D surface interface or 2D defect, surface defect, interface boundary, grain boundary, twin boundary, stacking fault, anti-phase boundaries. And 3D volume defect has twins, precipitate, faulted region, voids or cracks, and last with thermal vibration. These are the 3D defects. Now, if we go one by one, zero defect, non-ionic crystal, vacancy and impurity, interstitial substitutional. It has two types, impurity has an interstitial and substitutional. In ionic crystal, Frenkel defect and Scotty defect, and third one is other one. Now, vacancy. In the diagram, we can see the atoms are arranged in a repeated manner, but one one atom is absent in the middle of the crystal structure. So that missing atom from the atomic site, the atom around the vacancy displaced tensile strength field produces in the vicinity. So this type of defect is called as the vacancies. Now impurity. Impurity, there are two type of impurity present in the crystal structure: interstitial and substitutional. Interstitial means foreign atom is place in between the gap of the structure, crystal structure. We see the repeated manner structure is given in the diagram, in the first diagram, and that foreign atom is adjusted over in between the regular structure of the crystal, and this foreign atom adjusted in between the gap is called as the interstitial impurity. So here relative size is very small and compressive stress field is this one, which is shown in the orange circle. Now for the substitutional, if we see the diagram for the substitution, there is a vacancy of one regular atom and one foreign atom of the same size or bigger size of the comparative or smaller size of the comparative atom is adjusted in between the replacement of the regular atom. That type of impurity is called as a substitution, means it is a substituted over there. Word to word meaning is there. Compressive stress field is produced due to it, and if the atom is very small, so it is tensile stress field is produced. Now substitutional, if we go by word to word definition, then it will be the substitutional impurity is foreign atom replacing the present atom in the crystal. For example, copper, that is Cu, sitting in the lattice site of FCC of Ni, means nickel. In interstitial impurity, foreign atom sitting in the void of a crystal. Example, C is sitting, means carbon is sitting in the octahedral void in HTFCC Fe. Fe means iron. Now interstitial C sitting in the octahedral void in HTFCC of Fe is 0.414. We can see the strength of the octahedral void is 0.53 degree A. The compressive strength around the C atom, solubility limited 2% weight and 9.3%. Equilibrium concentration of the vacancies are formation of a vacancy, lead missing bond, destroyed of the lattice. The potential energy, that is enthalpy of the system, increases. The work required for formation of point defect, enthalpy of formation delta HF is equal to kg per mole or EV per defect. Now it cost energy to form a vacancy. Its formation leads to increase in a configurational entropy. Above 0 Kelvin, there is equilibrium number of the vacancies. Now, dislocation. Edge dislocation, mixed dislocation and screw dislocation. Thank you.